Number 1. The secret immobilizer handshake. This is the big one. Your car cranks but won't start, or the security light is flashing. You think the engine is dead. Nope, your car just forgot its own key. Mechanics love to charge for a new ECU here, but try this first. The reset. Insert your key and turn it to the on position. Leave it there for exactly 10 minutes. Watch the security light. It should eventually stop flashing or go out. Turn the key to off for 30 seconds. Repeat this entire process 3 times. On the 3rd cycle, your car and the key will perform a digital handshake and resync. It takes 30 minutes, but it beats a $500 towing and reprogramming fee.